everyone, my name is Denise Marie Ladara, and today we're going to talk about the integumentary system. Skin is the primary foundation of the integumentary system. The integumentary system, also known as the dermal system, is the largest system of the body. It provides as protection, acts as a physical barrier against bacteria. Temperature regulation helps us maintain a stable body temperature through sweating. Hydration regulation, sensory reception, and vitamin D synthesis. There are three parts of the skin. Epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer, visible and touchable, provides a waterproof barrier and gives the skin its color. It's composed of three types of cells: melanocytes, keratinocytes, and larynges. The epidermis is also composed of stratified squamous epithelium that contains several layers. It is the most outer layer, the stratum corneum, made up of dead cells that are constantly shed. The dermis also plays a role in regulating water loss and protecting against infection. Dermis is the thickest middle layer, containing sweat and oil gland, hair follicle, and blood vessel. Dermis is the middle layer of the skin beneath the epidermis and above the subcutaneous layer. It is composed of the connective tissue. It provides strength and flexibility to the skin, contains blood vessel, nerve, sweat glands, oil glands, and hair follicle. The dermis is made up of two layers, the papillary dermis and the reticular dermis. And last but not least, hypodermis, or the subcutaneous, is the fatty bottom layer that insulates the body. Hypodermis, also known as the subcutaneous tissue, is the deepest layer of the skin located beneath the dermis. It primarily consists of the adipose tissue, loose connective tissue. The hypodermis provides insulation, cushioning, and acts as the energy reserve. It also connects the skin to underlying structures like muscle and bones. The epidermis consists of the stratum basale, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, and stratum corneum. Stratum dermis and papillary dermis. Skin is a major sensory organ, harvest receptors for touch, pain, and temperature. Mechanoreceptors detects pressure or distortion, nociceptors detects pain, and thermoreceptors detects temperature. Hair. Hair filaments consist primarily of keratinocytes, grows out of the skin except at a few places: palms, soles, flexor surface, the digital, and specific parts of the reproductive system. The nail is made up of the nail matrix, nail plate, and nail bed. Nails are essentially hardened plates of keratin, a protein that coat from the nail root protects the sensitive tips of the fingers and toes. They also play a role in motor tasks and can be used to pick up small objects. The nail contains hard keratin. It composes of free edge, nail body, proximal root, the nail bed, nail matrix, nail fold, eponychium, secretory glands, sebaceous gland, sweat glands. Sebaceous gland covers the entire body, secretes sebum, only substance that prevents your skin from drying out. Eccrine gland and apocrine gland. Numerous, covers most of the body, found in the axilla, groin, eyelids, external auditory canal, areola, and the nipples of the female breast. Hypodermis, subcutaneous tissue attached to the deep aspect of the dermis, composed of adipose tissue, stores energy, increases skin mobility, provides insulation, acts as a shock absorber. Whole subcutaneous muscles, vessels, and lymphatics. In the head, neck, it contains the platysma muscle. Mucocutaneous junction, regions of the body where there is a transmission of mucosa to the skin. Mucosa is not part of the integumentary system. Occurs at orifices like the lips, nostrils, conjunctiva, urethra, vagina, foreskin, and anus.